Imagine waking up in 2026, telling your AI agent over coffee, plan a weekend getaway for the family under $800, book everything, and make sure the hotel has a pool the kids will love. By the time you finish your drink, flights are reserved, the itinerary is in your calendar, restaurant reservations are set, and it even checked the weather and packed a custom list for your suitcase. No tabs open, no stress, just done. This isn't sci-fi anymore. It's the quiet revolution happening right now with AI agents. And most people have no idea how deeply they're about to reshape normal life. We've all played with chatbots that answer questions. But 2026 is the year AI stops just talking and starts doing, autonomously planning, deciding, and acting across apps, emails, calendars, and services on your behalf. These aren't simple assistants. They're digital coworkers that understand goals, break them into steps, adapt when things change, and get results while you focus on living. The shift is already underway. Companies like Salesforce, Microsoft, and Google are rolling out agents that handle customer support, sales tasks, code writing, and meeting prep with minimal supervision. In everyday life, this means your personal AI could soon manage your inbox, negotiate bills, shop smarter, schedule your doctor visits, or even monitor your home devices proactively. Here's what it could look like in practice. Morning routine transformed. Your agent reviews your calendar, traffic, and weather, then suggests the optimal departure time, queues up your favorite podcast, and even orders your usual coffee ahead, so it's ready when you arrive. Work gets supercharged. Instead of drowning in emails and admin, you give high-level directions and let agents handle follow-ups, research, data analysis, or even draft reports. Knowledge workers are already reporting several hours saved per week in early deployments. Shopping and finances. Need new running shoes? Your agent compares options across stores, checks your budget and preferences, finds deals, and completes the purchase or haggles on your behalf where possible. Health and home. Agents could track medication refills, summarize your latest lab results in plain language, adjust smart home settings for energy savings, or coordinate family schedules without endless group chats. The productivity gains sound incredible, and they are. Early data shows agents delivering massive time savings and letting humans focus on creative, strategic, and emotional work that machines still can't touch. Families might reclaim evenings. Entrepreneurs could compete at a whole new scale. It feels like having a tireless, super capable assistant in your pocket 24/7. But here's what no one is really shouting from the rooftops. This power comes with real trade-offs we need to face head-on. These agents will need deep access to your data, accounts, and devices to be truly useful. That raises serious questions about privacy, security, and what happens when something goes wrong. An agent acting on your behalf could make a costly mistake, get tricked by bad instructions, or expose information in ways we don't fully anticipate yet. Reliability isn't perfect. They can still hallucinate or pursue goals in unexpected ways. There's also the human side. As agents handle more routine work, some jobs will shift or shrink. We'll need to adapt what skills matter most: judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Over-reliance could quietly dull some of our own abilities if we're not careful. And not everyone will have equal access to the best agents, which could widen existing gaps. The truth is, 2026 won't be about AI replacing us. It'll be about learning to partner with these digital teammates effectively. The winners will be people who stay in the driver's seat, giving clear goals, checking important outputs, and using the freed up time for things that actually matter: relationships, creativity, rest, and big ideas. By the end of 2026, having your own reliable AI agent might feel as normal as having a smartphone does today. The mundane frustrations that eat up our days, booking, researching, following up, organizing could finally start to fade. In their place, more space for what makes life worth living. The agents are coming. The real question isn't whether they'll change everything. It's whether we'll be ready to use them wisely.
If you found this hidden story fascinating, hit that like button right now. It really helps. Subscribe to Story Behind the Things and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the surprising stories behind everyday things we use every day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video on Story Behind the Things.